What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to share with you my favorite tool as a maintenance technician and as an HVAC technician. This tool right here is something that you're going to want if you work around other people. So this goes for electricians, plumbers, construction workers, whatever. It's not going to be your daily use tool that has a million uses like the 11-1 or multipliers. It's not that. This tool right here is literally a game changer, and I use it every time that I get new tools. So there it is. It's an engraver. They're very cheap. There's different types of engravers you can get. Once you get this engraver, you can mark all your tools, first and last name. That way, there's no question on whose tool it is. That's your tool. That has your name on it. Some people like to write with the little Sharpie, their initials on it. Lots of people have the same initials. You get your tool stolen, get set up on you get your tools stolen, throw them up on Facebook Marketplace. Your name's on them. Good luck selling that. You may be able to etch it out, but it's going to make it harder on the thieves to do that. And there's a chance that you could get that tool back. That's why whenever I get new tools, I mark every single one with my last name minimum, first and last name if I have room to. But that's it for today. Nice and quick. Hope you got some good information off of that. Let me know what you think about engraving your own tools, or if that just takes too much time and you think the Sharpie's a better way to go, let me know in the comments. But until the next one, I'm Dave Spates. See y'all around.